Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Blueland cleaning kit collection, okay? And finally, a company has come up with an easy way to find the right balance between convenience, cost savings, and sustainability. So let's take a look at this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. Here at Saving Green, we're all about practical sustainability, and home cleaning remedies is an important consideration when you're trying to make greener choices every day. Now, my wife, in a not so passive-aggressive way, bought me this very generous cleaning kit as a way to, hey, why don't you make a video about sustainable cleaning supplies? Hey, why don't you help out around the kitchen a little bit more and see how they work? So, fine, here we are. I am going to unbox the Blueland cleaning supply kit, and I'll tell you why you might want to consider it. First, a disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Blueland, nor is my wife. We bought this on our own volition and just want to kind of give you a practical overview of the product line and why you may want to think about it. So first of all, this is how the box comes. You can see that everything is all cardboard and fully compostable. Basically, the refill is the new recycle. I guess that's their motto. But you've got 3 bottles here wrapped all in cardboard, and plus these are the little dehydrated capsules that you just dump into the water. So let's get these out of there. We have the cleaning kit that contains 3 different supplies. One is the multi-surface cleaner. This is kind of like your kitchen cleaning supply. It's supposed to work on sealed granite countertops, as well as kitchen sinks and surfaces and things of that nature, porcelain of course. This is your bathroom cleaner specifically for tile, grout, and porcelain, so that's nice. And then your glass and mirror cleaner for a streak-free shine, your Windex alternative, if you will. Again, no plastic at all other than the bottles themselves. And these are the refillable containers, and they're labeled depending on which product line you ultimately get. And yeah, they're nicely branded here, but honestly nothing special. You could probably reuse any bottles that you already have and just buy the capsules as well. So certainly something to consider. This is a glass and mirror. And the bathroom cleaner. Now basically, it's not rocket science. You fill it with water, drop the pod in, and give it some time to dissolve, and then go ahead and get cleaning. And it says hot or warm water is ideal. So that's that. Now if you look at the pods, they come in these little cardboard compostable packages. And this is what they look like. And this is blue, so I'm assuming this goes into the glass and mirror cleaner. So it's all coordinated, very simple, very nice. And if you get refill pods, as we did, they come again in this type of packaging, all cardboard, no plastic, no even bubble wrap or anything like that. And again, you just get a whole bunch of them. So why would you want to consider something like this? Well, for one, convenience. They are taking several different products and consolidating it to 3 general categories, which is really nice. So you can basically get rid of a lot of duplicate and redundant cleaning, more specialized cleaning supplies, and hopefully these will suffice as a general compromise. Additionally, it doesn't get more convenient than storing the equivalent of 25, 30 bottles in a package like this. This can easily fit in a drawer. There's really not a lot of room needed. So you're definitely saving a lot of convenience, even when it comes to storage, without even using the products at all. Secondly, when you refill these products, you are saving a ton of shipping weight and cost, and that ultimately ties into CO2 emissions when it comes to transportation. I have a few videos on other cleaning supplies as well as water and soda beverages. So if you want to look at containers and costs related to that, both environmentally and financial, then I can send you up there if you want to learn more about that. But definitely you're saving a bunch of weight and bulk when it comes to shipment, and that's a huge, huge savings environmentally. That ties into, of course, the raw material and the plastic savings. This is probably like an HDPE or high density polyethylene material that certainly is in and of itself not the most environmentally friendly, but in terms of longevity and in terms of saving the plastic that you'd be buying every time you buy a new cleaning product, definitely not something to underestimate. Fourth, there's no harsh chemicals. So all these products contain basically different baking soda derivatives and natural dyes, colorants, and some fragrance. but we're not dealing with any caustic materials, no bleach, nothing like that. So ultimately, this is going to be safe around pets and kids, and it's going to be more, I guess you can say, all natural. Now, in my video about shower bombs, I will link to that up here. I kind of go into how sodium bicarbonate is actually manufactured and how environmentally friendly or impactful that particular product is. It's a safe, widely used product that certainly makes a lot of sense in this type of use. And number 5, perhaps most importantly, the cost savings. So each of these bottles, when filled up, will basically save you money over the long term. Now, this particular kit of 3 bottles was available for about 29 bucks. I don't believe it's sold on their website anymore. Now they charge 35 to 39 for this kit, including the soap hand dispenser. And that will break down to about 40 cents per ounce if you just buy the kit outright. These packets, for example, break down to about 8 cents per ounce. So after about 3 uses or 3 bottles, you're going to be saving money over the long term. And that's compared to bulk pricing. Like if you look at this 3-pack of Windex, that comes in at about 20 cents per ounce. So up front, it's more expensive, but over the long term, you're definitely saving money. And that's important. So let's get some water in these bad boys. And see how they work. So here we are filling them up. And as we drop the pods in, I have a little time lapse going. It took about 25 to 35 minutes. The bathroom cleaner took the longest to dissolve. This was at slightly warm water. I noticed that there was a little bit of leakage from the blue bottle top. There's an on and off button here, as you can kind of see. And there was just a little bit of some leakage when I first switched it from off to on. But otherwise, I made a little adjustment with the trigger here, and it seemed to resolve itself. But on all the 3 different surfaces, on the glass cleaner, shower cleaner, and on the granite and kitchen cleaner, they all seem to do a reasonably good job. If I look at the bathroom cleaner specifically, it has, I don't know, it's got maybe like a peppermint type smell. The yellow kitchen cleaner or all-purpose cleaner definitely has a lemon or citrus smell to it, but the glass and mirror cleaner is pretty much odorless, and they work fine. I think that, just in this initial test, I think that they're perfectly adequate. And if you're looking to save money and be a little bit more natural and sustainable, you certainly can look at DIY options. Like, for example, for a Windex alternative, you can use a little dish soap and a little white vinegar and water in the right proportions. It seems to do a pretty similar job to what this might do, but it's a little bit more burdensome, a little bit more time consuming, but certainly doable and probably even cheaper than this. But as a good compromise between just full retail products and DIY, I think the Blueland product line is a really good option for a lot of people. Now, I haven't demonstrated their dish soap or their laundry detergent or their hand soaps. These are other products that they offer, but you can explore their website and kind of learn more about them and see if that might be something you want to try. For us, we use laundry detergent that's already kind of in its dehydrated powder form anyway, mostly, so I don't see much of an advantage to switching to a product like this when your branded products like Tide and everything works well. We've also tried DIY laundry detergent as well with fairly good results. So ultimately, I think that if you're looking at an all-around product line, I think this might be a good way to go. So let me know your thoughts if you've explored Blueland or some other competitor products that might be similar, and what your experience have been. Thanks again for checking out the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.